Why hasn't Canada been invaded since 1812? Apart from the citizens being extremely friendly, Canada's geography is an incredible deterrent. An enormous amount of the land in Canada is mountainous, making it difficult for any potential invader to traverse. Canada has extremely strong allies such as the United States and the rest of NATO. As far as the foreign policy goes, Canada isn't a complete saint, as they have invaded a couple of other countries over the years. However, they haven't done enough to really provoke a full-on invasion. Although Canada has a lot of natural resources, the risk versus reward ratio of that invasion wouldn't be very good.